Hello, good afternoon. My name is Vanessa Caroline Marquez Jimenez. I study bachelor's degree in English as a foreign language. And today I will give answers to the following questions. A. How do you compare the quotations from Wayaf Chaf at the beginning of the chapter with the purpose of language? Having in mind the planet by Wayaf Chaf in where he manifests that often people approach the study of language with a feel of great awe, perhaps because they feel that the terminology is difficult. However, terminology is rife in any field of activity. As with other fields, language needs terms in order to delineate its concepts, yet often people are puffed off by the technical jargon, tone, and mere blur. It's important to highlight that it provides an interesting parable when writing about terminology in language. They add to imagine a dictator who prohibits all use of technical terms in garage. The point is that every field that has its turn to refer to activity and concepts involved in its realizations. The odd thing about language, perhaps, is that it needs a language to talk about itself, to talk about language. In other words, it needs a meta-language. B. Why do you think some people approach the study of linguistics with apprehensiveness? It does your case explain. The case write about is my own case since I have had the same feeling for linguistics, having the mind that often people approach the study of linguistics with a feeling of great awe, perhaps because they feel that the terminology is difficult. However, the terminology is rife in any field of activity. C. Is linguistics about correctness in language use? Explain. Linguistics shares this meta-language with the type of perspective grammar, but which serve people what is right and what is wrong in language use through the use of terms such as subject, verb, adjective, nouns, etc. The sharing of terms is rather unfortunate as it leads to the notion that linguistics is about correctness in language use. Perhaps more difficult to categorize are function words or words which allow us to connect the different parts of phrases, clauses, and sentences, or to convey another type of meaning such as polarity. D. What are the names of greatness contributors of linguistic field? How would you label each of them? For example, Ferdinand de Saussure, of father of modern linguistics. Noam Chomsky and Halliday. Noam Chomsky's work on linguistics was both a reaction against certain theories about language and certain of other perspectives at the same time. Michel Halliday became interested in the study of language because of his own experience, first learning and then later teaching Chinese. He writes that his motivation for developing a way of analyze language. Thank you.